Mapuno sa kalingawan ang ato ang Best Talk segment this morning kay usa ka impersonator o komedyante ang atong bisita nga kabahin sa rom-com series nga Oh My Love. We have this morning the very talented and the very beautiful Miss Divine Tetay. Maayong buntag, Miss Divine, and welcome back to GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag, Miss Cecil. Hello there, kamusta po kayong lahat? Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan.
Mabuti naman kami. Ikaw, kumusta ka, Miss Divine? How's your morning today?
Ito naman po, medyo malamig lang po dito sa Switzerland. Kaya, charot. mornings, okay. Got my coffee. I prayed and yun, okay naman po. Mornings pretty well.
Oh, that's good to hear. Miss Divine, what keeps you inspired every day? What motivates you to stay strong and to stay happy?
Oh, wait lang. Let me go back to bed. Charot. And what inspires me, what motivates me is yung, honestly, walang charot-charot. Like, yung life na binibigay sa'yo ni God every day, ni Lord every day. So you just have to make the most out of it. So I just want to use it to the fullest. And inspiration, syempre, my mom, and then friends.
At isa na dito,
Super.
yung YouTube Silver Play Button Award mo. Congratulations! How does it feel?
Kinikilabutan ako kasi I didn't imagine or I didn't expect that I'd go like this far.
Yeah.
Alam mo yon? From the last time we spoke, that was like 5 months ago na when I told you I was just planning on, parang launching my YouTube channel. And then there, I'm so happy.
Aside sa mga pampag-good vibes, what do you really want to impart to your subscribers when they watch your vlogs? Ano yung mga lessons na gusto mong makuha nila?
Oh, simple lang naman eh. I just want to, like what I said earlier, I just want them to enjoy life, as in, like, no matter, like, what they're going through. Alam mo yun, parang lahat naman tayo dumaan, di ba? Like, we said goodbye to 2020, pero yung, that taught us a lot of lessons na yung, nandyan lang yung problema eh. It's just a matter of, like, how you deal with it. Tsaka yung, i-offer niya lang kay Lord, tapos alam mo yun, just live a happy day lang, live a happy life.
Pag-usapan natin ang latest project mo, ang rom-com series na Oh My Love. What is it about this show that you really, really love, Miss Divine?
This talaga, like yung light lang, tsaka ang sarap lang ng ano namin eh, yung there's this right amount of kilig and then right amount of tawa. Alam mo yon, sakto. Di ko magtanatanong, okay ba? Sakto. Yun. Ganun. And then, the samahan with the co-stars are just really fabulous.
Tama nga. Very fabulous. Including your character, yung si Judith. Ano-ano pa yung mga aabangan namin sa kanya?
Abangan nyo si Judith. Kung kayo may mga kailangang isettle, bago mag-Judith, isettle nyo na. Dahil sisingiling kayo ng bonggang-bongga ni Judith. Promise. Grabe, like, kung ano-ano lang pinagsusuot, pinaggagawa namin para lang makapaningil.
Dito po sa Oh My Love, Miss Divine, you work with several comedians. Halos kayo lahat, mga komedyante, nasa rom-com na ito. And of course, may nabuong friendship talaga sa inyong lahat. What made your Luck and Taping experience very memorable?
First and foremost, yung the mere fact that you get to work with yung mga, alam mo yung mga legends, like for Sir Leo Martinez, Miss Nova Villa. Alam mo, parang dati nasa bucket list mo lang. Yung parang, nakakasabay mo ng kumain, ay nakakachikahan mo na, and then you get to know them well. Every Sunday, we have this family lunch namin. So, we get to eat together. Alam mo yun, yung parang kami isang malaking pamilya na wala, baliw-baliwan lang mga bayot. Kasi saya lang namin, promise.
Kaya naman
Food
pala.
binds us together.
Oo, that's true. And of course, nakikita din namin yan on screen na may talaga kayo, iba talaga yung connection nyo lahat. Pero eto, Miss Divine, how important is it for you to make your viewers laugh and smile by watching Oh My Love?
Kung ano yung happiness namin doon, dapat parang yun din yung generate namin para na-absorb din nila. And then, kasi once they know that you're happy, and then you're not just like acting it, matik na yun, tatawa na sila. Alam mo yun yung, pag alam nila, it's coming from within, that you're really happy lang. So, ang simula nun, you need to, like, not naman condition yourself, pero set mo sarili mo na, you're happy, and then I'm happy. And then, yun yung mararamdaman nila.
So please thank and invite everyone to continue watching Oh My Love gabi-gabi.
Tuloy-tuloy po sana ang inyong suporta at I'm sure may enjoy niyo po yung bawat araw po, bawat gabi po nakasama ang Oh My Love. Please, pinagbibidaan po yan of course, si Doc Mix, Sir Benjamin Alves, si Sensei, na napaka-sexy, yun talaga yung body goal ko Miss Lovey po. Panoorin niyo po yan Lunes hanggang Biyernes po.
Daghang salamat kaayo for this very lingaw na interview this morning.
Alam mo, Miss Cecil, parang palaging gorgeous ka palagi ka na nagkikita tayo.
Oo,
Parang
liwat
nag-iba na yung
nimo.
pananaw ko talaga sa'yo
Ay.
Parang,
Liwat ko nimo, Miss Divine.
parang ganahan ko anak magka-girlfriend mo. Charot. Miss Cecil, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you very
much.
much.